Hey guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for a new travel tripod? The confusion of which one to choose is understandable, keeping in view a whole lot of options available in the market. But don't you worry, because we have got you covered. We are here presenting you the top 5 best travel tripods in 2022 through extensive research and testing. This list of options is based upon the budget, performance, or an overall best travel tripod to choose from a bunch of options. For your further ease, I have posted links in the description box down below. Also, like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. On number 5, we have MeFoto Globetrotter 64.2 inches carbon fiber travel camera tripod that has the ability to fold up inversely and turn into a minipod. This product is available in several colors including black, blue, green, titanium, etc. The constitution consists of carbon fiber or aluminum with a minimum height of 41 cm and weighing 3.75 pounds, supporting 26.5 pounds payload. DSLR and iPhone are included in their compatible devices. For an enhanced image alignment, the panoramas can be conveniently organized by operating the graduated panning scale at 360 degrees. To attain a firm and fixed mounting position, the tripod legs can be locked at 2 different angles, which makes shooting a lot more convenient in irregular surface areas. Recessed center column hook and precision-matched Q-series ball head support stability and adjustment. The tripod legs can be folded, making it convenient to carry them anywhere. Although this product is weather and dust resistant, the foam grip on the minipod leg further saves it from extreme heat and cold temperatures. On number 4, we have Joby Gorillapod 5K Kit Professional Tripod 5K Stand and Ballhead 5K Camera Tripod. This tripod is famous for its strongest and most flexible design to date. This product is available in sleek color options of black and charcoal constituted of aluminum. This tripod design, entirely different as compared to traditional tripod designs, is made of ball and socket legs put together with rubber grips that allow it to bend and mount virtually and wrap around objects. The efficiency is increased due to the AcroSwiss system that allows instant setup, releasing a quick plate. This best travel tripod weighing 1.6 pounds can support 11 pounds of weight. This travel tripod is best for travelers looking for a flexible, unique and easily portable tripod that can be mounted at any place that lacks a stable surface. Due to its unique flexible design, it is quite worth the money you spent. Moving on to number 3, we will be talking about Peak Design Travel Tripod. As compared to traditional travel tripods, Peak Design Travel Tripods are claimed to be designed and prepared in 4 years. The effort behind this product is visible through its size, as the tripod can be folded and packed down to the diameter of a water bottle. Even then, there has been no compromise on the height, stability, or any of the required features. The thoughtful details and features of this tripod, faster setup, durability, ergonomic adjustment points, and built-in mobile compatibility make it a super hot product among the best travel tripods. The legs of this tripod are deployed in a matter of seconds as compared to a typical travel tripod. 20 pounds weight capacity, integrated load hanging hook, ball heads, and anchor attachment points support pro-level stability. This tripod does not have any bulky or confusing knobs. It comes up with one single adjustment ring, saving you from all the hassle. This product consists of weather and impact resistant material and comes with a padded waterproof case and has a lifetime warranty that makes it a super favorite. On number 2, we will be contemplating over MeFOTO Roadtrip S Travel Tripod. This travel tripod has 2 variants including aluminum and carbon fiber constructions available in 5 different colors. Weighing 2.9 pounds, it is actually considered quite lightweight, offering a maximum payload of 17.6 pounds. MeFoto Roadtrip is a compact travel camera tripod whose center column connects to the tripod leg and is converted into a minipod. The telescoping 2-section center column can be extended for further additional height. This is one of the best travel tripods that are travel-friendly, as it can be folded down into a quarter of its length so it can conveniently be carried in your backpack. Also, this tripod comes with a carrying case to make it carry easily. An accessory mount is located on the shoulder for attaching additional accessories. This travel tripod has proved itself to be one of the perfect choices according to customer reviews due to its convenient portability at an affordable price. On number 1, let us give you a sneak peek of the Manfrotto Befree Advanced Twist Camera Tripod Kit. This travel tripod is an advanced fit and popular among hobbyist photographers who yearn for peak results. This model has introduced a new feature M-Lock for easy-to-use and compact solution that closes the whole mechanism perfectly. Available in aluminum and carbon fiber construction, this tripod comes with 2 leg locking styles. Weighing 2.75 pounds, this is the best travel tripod that has been introduced to be one of the best ultralight tripods. It can take 17.6 of the payload. The tripod possesses 494 aluminum center ball heads, with 3 further independent controls, for quick and precise camera movement. An integrated friction control knob is an innovative feature of this tripod. The maximum length of 59 inches supports establishing astonishing and stunning shots. The Befree Advanced Aluminum Travel Tripod Twist is available in sleek black, red and blue colors. Hope you found this video helpful. Now don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more upcoming videos, stay tuned. The product links are in the description box down below, which are updated for the latest prices. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.